Hey everybody, Double P here. So today what we're going to be doing is going over how to short the QQQ in a live trading session. Now I'm already finished my trading for the day, just to be very transparent with you, but I'm still in real time. So you can see here the date. Let's come over here. You see the date is the Monday, September the 20th at 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. You see my account right there. And of course, I got to blur out my account information so I don't violate my terms and services with my broker. And of course, if you're new to my channel and you're new to my videos, you might be wondering, well, why do you have partially delayed data there? Is it everything real? Yeah, everything's real. So let me just come over here. So you see stock is in real time. I'll just open that up there. So you see I have real time data for Amex, NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange. Equity options is in real time right there. Futures and futures options. I don't trade futures. I don't understand futures or futures options, so I don't trade with them. So I don't need to have real time data on it. I don't need to pay for that. And Forex is in real time, as you can see, and other securities and everything else. So everything is real time, no funny business. I'm a man of transparency. So let me talk to you about what I saw this morning, and let me come over here and you'll see what I saw this morning and all week, last week. And you see right here, this is what I like to see. A nice gigantic sea of red. This is what you want to see. This is the market. The market panics when they see stuff like this. But myself and my traders, my group of traders, we don't panic at all. We see this as a great opportunity to go in there and short. So the first thing I got to talk about is, before you do anything like that, you always got to map out your support and resistance. And I map it out with price action. So let me just open that up there so that you see it. I like to map out my support and my resistance based on price action. And as you can see right here, I'm on the 5-minute candle right here. I like to trade. And on this side, this is the options. So we're option traders, and I'm a heavy option trader. So I like to have the charts with the price action on this side, and I like to have my options on this side, so I can see exactly what's going on with the price action with the options. And as you can see right there, up there, QQQ, I bought the September 20th, 21, 366 puts today for the QQQ. And as you can see right here, I mapped out my support and my resistance and my profit and price action. So I could have held this position, but I'm an intraday momentum options scalper. So what that means is I like to be in and out of a position within a matter of minutes, up to like an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, go with the trend and then get out. I like to be in and out of the marketplace along with the rest of my members, and that's what you should be doing as well. Do we do swing trading? Sure, we do swing trading. Do we do day trading? Sure, we do day trading. I like intraday momentum scalping because I like to ride that momentum and get in and get out to make maximum profit, and then have the rest of the day to myself. And you should be doing that too as an option trader. So I mapped everything out right here, as you can see it. And I'll show you, let me show you a couple different things here. First of all, let's go down here. So you'll see my order fill. So when I filled my order, you'll see that I bought QQQ at $1.23. You see the time that I bought it, 10:56 a.m. today. And you see when I sold it, I sold 50 contracts at $1.75, sold it at 11 p.m. Right? So you can see here at 10:56 and 11:04, this was a quick in and out trade. And the reason why I made this a quick in and out trade is because I wanted to be in and out of the marketplace within a matter of minutes today. Right? So you'll see here 122. So my first profit position is 20%, which would be $1.46. then my next profit position would be $1.73, which would actually be 20% plus 20% is 40% profit within a matter of minutes. And you can see here, I mapped out my support and my resistance, my price action. That's what I wanted to take. And as you see the price of the option now, sure, it's exploded, right? Now it's worth $2.33. So I could have definitely held this position and I would have tripled my money today, right? It's at plus 732.14 cents, right? So let's go back over here. What time is it? 10:56. So that you see what's going on here, 10:56. So roughly right around this area right here, 10:56. Let me move this over here, 10:56. So this is when I took my trade, right here, right, 10:56. So let's go over to 10:56 here on the chart so you see the price action. So 10:56 would be right 10:50, 10:55. Yeah, that's close enough, right? So on 10:55, let me just open this up here so that you see that. Let me remove, actually I'm not going to remove it, I'm just going to leave it. We'll just open this up a little bit more. So let's go down to 10:56. Right over here, 10:55. So right here is when, in this 5-minute window, that's when I took my option. So let's scroll down to the 1-minute chart so you can get a little bit better view on that. And let's move this over here, 10:56. So you'll see here, 10:56, right here, that's when I took my position, right, to do a put. Because why did I do that? Well, I waited in a 5-minute increment to look at this position right here. I waited for it to go down, so you're having higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. You have consolidation right here. Then you have 2 upward candles. You have a spin right here with this candle, and then 2 big drops, and that's when I took my position. So let me open that up so that you can actually see that a little bit better. And we go over to 10:56. So right there, right? So I can open this up for you. So right here, in this window right here, this is when I take my trade. Now I don't have to have a lot of time, a lot of action. I just need a little bit of a position. So right here, you can see I sent out the trade to my members. Give me a quick second here. Sorry there. See, kind of real video. I had to, my little baby boy is crying there, so I had to close the door. My partner will grab him. So I have a group, and they're called the Platinum Traders Beta Testers Group. And I sent out my text alert. I sent out real-time text alerts at 10:56 a.m. So they got this trade. And you'll see here, I give them the exact position, the exact time. I give them the exact entry point and exit point and profit and loss statement. Not statement, sorry, but the exact profit and loss entry points and parameters so they can get in and they can get out. So you can take a look at this right here. This is a lot of information, a lot of detail. I'm very detailed with my text alerts, my real-time text alerts, because my members have got to get these in a timely fashion, and when they get in and they get out. So you can see right here, I tell them exactly what it is. It's a short scalp trade, 15 minutes tops, get in and get out, right? These expire today, do not hold. So the actual expiration on the QQQ today was for today. So the reason why I wanted to pick the QQQ today, because it was so cheap, it's expiring today. So I don't want my members to hold until the end of the day. I want them to be in and I want them to get out. You'll see right here, when I bought it, 135, my contract size was that I sent to them is plus 20. You'll see that I took a bigger position. I always take bigger position. I send my members smaller positions so that they have a really good risk versus reward type of a situation. They can always scale out if they want, right? But I teach them to take the position sizes that I think that they can handle for any given situation, and if they want to choose to scale in and scale out, they can do that with their position size. And I tell them exactly what I'm looking for. I'm looking for plus 30% profit. My stop loss is a tight minus 10% on this option trade. It's not 10% on the actual QQQ itself. I mean, oh my God, it would be absolutely fantastic if the QQQ would drop 10% in one day. And as we can see here, it's dropped 9% because it's a complete bloodbath today. But usually the QQQ drops maybe about 2%, 1%, sometimes maybe 3% in a day, not 9%. This is incredible. Now, had I known this, I probably would have continued to stay in a trade. But like I said, I want to be in and I want to be out, and that's the way it is. So you can see right there. Let me show you the profit that was made today. So today, that's what I made. $2,600 shorting the QQQ. You see it right there, 366 puts, and you see that right there. So today, as most days, are a really good day for us as my Platinum Traders group. Show you how to be in and out of the market literally within, well, let's see when that was. You'll see my order fill. So that's 10:56, so that's 4 minutes, so within 8 minutes. So less than 10 minutes in and out of the market, making $2,600, being in and out of the market, shorting the QQQ on a day where it is to be shorted, using expirations that expire today because they're cheap, and I'm still in the money, just outside of the money when I took the position, and the velocity and the velocity and the volatility of this day today of the drop, this is what helps you make a couple $1,000s within 10 minutes. Could I have stayed in this trade and tripled my money? Absolutely. I could have stayed in here and tripled my money, but we're in and we're out of the marketplace. So if you like that information and you like what you've seen today, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. Please share it with your friends. I'm giving this away to you guys today and every day on this channel. Free trades, live trades. You can go back, you can back test, you can do whatever you'd like to know that I know what I'm talking about. I'm going to be doing some live trading really soon, so you'll get to see that on the channel as well. I just want to make sure that I get enough people that are interested to do the live trading, that we can do the live trading. So with that being said, my name is Double P. I'll see you in the next live trading session. Take care, everybody.